Pam, and I'm back, and I am so excited to be back again with you guys with this new video. So I did pick up some packages, and you know I had to come and share what I got with you guys. So let's check it out. Let's see what I got in the mail. Let's go. So I had to get you guys situated. So let's check it out. Let's see what we got. So I did order this one from Amazon. So it did come like this. And you know, I was updating my bedroom set. So I did order this for my bedroom set. This is a storage container. It's like a box container. Sometimes they call it memory boxes or storage boxes. So I did order that. I paid $23 for it, and I did get two. I also got some gold finger gel press-on nails. So yes, I did get that because you can see it is long overdue. And I did receive my shapewear in the mail. So it did come like this. I did get the cami. It came with some really nice stickers, nice and cute. And I did get the cami in an extra large, and I did get the shaper shorts. Also in an extra large, so let's check it out. So these are the shorts. It's got a lot of give. It does have the rubber at the edges for support, because you know it's going to be a hot girl summer and we have to be ready. So I did get that in a extra large 2X. So then it does have the rubber support. Where it doesn't have the rubber support here at the leg area, but it does have the support at the top. So yeah. And then I did get the cami. So let's check it out. It's also a 2X. It's got the adjustable straps. So it is super cute. And it does have the where it gathers in at the waist. So let me see if I can show you guys. So it gathers in at the waist, and then it flares out at the bottom. And it's got the really nice support here. The stitching here, if you can see that. And then it's got the gathering here to sculpt you just right. Just right. So it's got the scoop neck. It's got the scoop neck. And it could be worn alone or under. So I got it to wear under. So I'm back, and this is the SHAPERMINT that I received. This is a extra large top and a 2X extra large bottom. So this is what it's looking like. Let me give you guys a closer look. shaper shorts. They do resemble biker shorts, so like they say, no one will know. So also guys, I did restock on my Lumi. I love some Lumi. They had a great deal on the starter package. So I did get the solid stick. Let's see what it smells like. I've never had this scent before. So it is the sandalwood citrus. So I'm trying to get the top off and see what it is smelling like. Bear with me, bear with me. There we go. So, oh, it's got a woodsy, like a woodsy sandal, like a woodsy citrus, like woodsy orangey type blossom scent. Really nice, really nice. This is what it's looking like. It is a solid, and I love some Lumi because it's close to being natural. So I do care for that, and that is one of my go-tos. I also got the tube deodorant. It is the Silver Spruce. And let's check it out. It has the top here is still on, so I need to take that off first. And then let's see. Oh, it's more like a woodsy, earthy scent. It's kind of like a unisex, masculine, or women's scent. But yeah, that is the Silver Spruce. And then I did get the acidified body wash. It's a new thing they have, and so it did come with the starter bundle. Let's check it out. Let's see what it's smelling like. Oh, now that's real nice. It's like a, let's see the consistency. Yeah, good, nice and thick. It's like rose floral. So I did get that. That is the Fioni. I don't want to abuse the name, but yeah, that's that one. And then they did send me the wipes. So yeah. And the wipes just come, just peel it off, and they're for on the go. That's the wipes. So yeah. So I did restock on that. And then I also restocked on my essential oils. I always order my essential oils from Amazon. Amazon is where it's at. Amazon is where it's at. So I did restock on my essential oils. I love, and this is how it came. Guys, I'm going to see if I can get this open. I'll get some scissors because this is very much secured. Very much secured. They wanted to make sure that it did not break. It got where it was supposed to get to in one piece. So I did get the tea tree oil, essential oil, and I do use this a drop, and sometimes I use it on my face because, as you can see, I have acne prone sensitive skin, and so yes, I do use the tea tree oil. And I also picked up the peppermint. So yes, I did restock on that. And I use the peppermint, same thing, sometimes as facial, to go in some of my facial cleanser. Sometimes I put a drop in my shampoo. Sometimes, you know, it's essential oils. Just caution, this is the disclaimer. It's just what I do, but disclaimer, I'm not giving you a tutorial, anything about essential oils. It's just what I do. I do put a drop in my shampoos, and sometimes in air fresheners that I freshen the house, I do put a drop in my cleaning solution. So yeah, they could be used all over. So yeah, I'm in my bedroom now, and I did buy these boxes. I'm gonna show you how I put them together, and then I'm gonna show you what I did with them. And they looking good. They looking good. So what I'm wondering is if this might be too much. When I put them here, it might be a little bit too much. Comment below if you think that's too much. I can always take away one. Keep it nice and simple. It still got a cute vibe. And so guys, that's how it came out. So let me give you a quick close-up of what I've done so far. Let's check it out. So this is what I have done so far. I think it is simply gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. If you look at the previous video, I did get that one pillow from Target. I'm debating if I'm going to keep that one pillow, or am I looking for like a brighter red. And I did get the two white pillows from Target as well. They were $10 each. And I already had the blanket. I did get the bed from Wayfair. So it's a work in progress, but it's coming along really cute, and I am so excited. I'm loving it. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm going to get into that. And you guys, I will catch you on the next new video. Until then, subscribe. Until then, thumbs up. Until then, bye and have a fantastic week.